So our marine ceramic, whole exterior and interior have been treated with our ceramic. And you can see the gloss on this beautiful boat. It's 22 foot all the way down through and through. "24-month protection on this. All the way down to the back side here. All brand new, coated, freshly coated. Clients should be tickled the way this came out. Really nice. All the seats have been treated as well too. The windshield, the windows, everything on this boat has received a coating. And it's so slick to the touch. Very smooth. My truck here. Come back here. Alright, if you got a boat and you want to have your boat ceramic coated, or if you need a cut, we can go ahead and cut it down, get the oxidation off, get you back looking like this. Nice boat.